George Ojijo niwe uratongoririe kaunti ya Kiambu kuhota arunao akuma Machakos na arauga ati athaki a timu yake maratoranirie ni undu wa unyitaniri.
They are the best in the country for all other county staff teams. Therefore, today is their day and we're very happy for them. Wako mbele sana. As you have seen here, we've seen a lot of sportsmanship from the other teams. But at the end of the day, we have one winner, which is Kiambu. We're very proud of our basketball team.
Mwena wa airetu, ngerenwa iyo irakuirwo ni kaunti ya Nairobi, aria marang'auranirie Githumo na point 50-16. Minister wa mathako kaunti-ini ya Kiambu uria nowe coordinator wa mathako ma basketball mathako-ini maya arauga timu icio hotani ni cionanitie ucamba munene. Mathako maya no marathie na mbere na timu ngũrani ni cithiete na mbere na kwigatira tigiti wa guthie na mbere mathako-ini maya. Ngucanio cia semi-finals mithako-ini ya volleyball na mubira wa maguru ciguthakwo umuthi iharo-ini cia mathukuru ma Chania Girls na Mang'u.